In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Wix website link. First, open your site in the Wix editor so you can access the controls for your website. This is where you manage your design, content, and site settings. Before you try to share your website with anyone, it's important to make sure the site is actually published. If your site has not been published yet, other people won't be able to view the finished version online, even if you send them a link. Once you are inside the editor, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Publish button. This step makes your website live on the internet using its public URL. If you've recently made changes to your website, publishing will also push those latest updates, so the version people see is the most current one. It's a good idea to wait a moment and make sure the publishing process finishes completely before moving on. After the site is published, a new window or pop-up will appear. In that pop-up, click View Site. This will open your live website, which is the public version that visitors can access. This is an important step because it takes you out of the editor view and into the actual site link that you want to share. When your live site opens, go to your browser's address bar at the top of the page. You will see the full website URL there. Copy the entire link exactly as it appears. Make sure you copy the full address so anyone who receives it can open your website without any issues. Now that you have the link copied, you can paste it anywhere you want to share your website. For example, you can send it in a message, add it to an email, post it on social media, or include it in a document. As long as the site is published, anyone with that link should be able to open and view your website online. If you ever update your website later, remember to publish again so the shared link continues to show the newest version of your site. The link usually stays the same, but the content people see will only change after you republish. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.